Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my recipe for fresh homemade guacamole. This is the perfect recipe for anyone looking to add healthy and delicious foods to their diet. So, let's start by looking at the ingredients. For this recipe, we'll need ripe avocados, onions, tomatoes, lime juice, cilantro, salt, and pepper. All of these ingredients are packed with nutrients that are great for your body. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, while tomatoes are high in vitamins and antioxidants. Preparation. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Start by cutting the avocados in half, removing the pit, and scooping out the flesh. Then, chop up some onions and tomatoes into small pieces. Add them to a mixing bowl with the avocado. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice, add some chopped cilantro and season with salt and pepper. Finally, mash everything together with a fork until you achieve a smooth and creamy texture. Now that your guacamole is ready, it's time to serve it up. You can enjoy it with some tortilla chips, use it as a topping for tacos, or even as a dip for vegetables. This recipe is very versatile and can be used in many different ways. So, that's it for my fresh homemade guacamole recipe. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Making your own guacamole at home is not only easy and delicious, but you also get to control the ingredients, ensuring a healthy and nutritious snack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel.